Just wanted to do a quick video there, guys, on Rain energy drink there, and this drink is made by the same company that makes the Monster energy drink. If that means anything whatsoever to you guys, it's made out in California, but originally was made by the Hanson bottling company in Germany. Okay. And this Hanson family, I don't want to tell you who they are, because if I did, the video would be blocked. But you can figure it out for yourself, okay? But anyway, I just wanted to go through a few things with it this afternoon. After all, it is made by the same people that makes the Bang drink. It's made by the same people that they make the Monster, like I told you, and the Uber Monster, the Uber lineage of the lineage of the Saxe-Coburg-Golgotha bloodline of the Windsor Palace. Yes, the Uber Monster. So they have a history of putting their magic and their sigil meanings on these cans that they show you what they're doing, but few see. This BCAA aminos, if you look at the periodic table configuration of that, it's 3 cubes, 3 hexes, and those 3 hexes comes to 666. Well, if you take a look at the 3 pyramids that you have on the crown, you will see the concept of 3 for Isis, Horus, and Seth of the pharaonic blood lineage that you have in any aristocratic monarchs. The green stands for photosynthesis. The red stands for war. If you look in the middle, you look at a big, huge Masonic pillar, like a sacrificial pillar. If you look very carefully, folks, and take a look at it, you can actually see an altar of Baal on each side. You can see the head, like that would be the head of the bull. You see the arms outstretched for the child that's being sacrificed. And you see at the bottom right here the platform on both sides for those altars of Baal. It's called Rain. Reign of the Judges. That's what's typically known as the Reign of the Judges. That's what that is primarily used for in Greek or in Latin. The term reign is R-E-I-G-N. And that was a word that was used back in the days when there was no king in Israel. It was the judges that ruled and made the rules in Israel at that time. There was no king whatsoever. And so that was the reign, R-E-I-G-N, the reign of the judges. Now, it says for total body fuel, but we're not going to decipher every bit of this. We're just doing this for fun. The coenzyme Q10, once again, is the 666 code. And the electrolytes, it has the same configuration. And again, like I said, this is just for fun, guys. That's what this is for. If you take a look at the 300 natural caffeine, well, that 300, that stands for the famous 300 Battle of the Spartans. And if you take a look, the helmet we've been looking at the whole time that broke down into the king's crown and into the bell altars and the Masonic pillar, that is indeed a Spartanic helmet, okay, of the Spartans. There's your famous jab that we've been talking about in the past there, the Broad Arrow of Liber Oz by Aleister Crowley. There it is, guys. Says it's a caffeine, leaf, but I think there's a deeper meaning behind that. It affects the mind, as you can see in the mechanical workings of it. It affects the body. There's the Templars V of the Templars of Swissyland. Yes, the V of the Swiss. And if you notice, all these are in the 8 configurated hex right there, the Order of the Garter. If you take a look at this, you think you're taking a look at a dumbbell, which actually you're not looking at that. What you were looking at instead, you were looking at the as above, so below symbology of the Druid cross that is reflecting off of the water. Okay? And who's at the bottom of all this? Well, the one who fell like lightning from the earth, Satan. And here's the big one that gets me more than anything. This is more or less telling you when the fifth and final age of the earth is coming in, because this is basically a dial. It's got the year, or the century, and then it's got the year in it. Just like you would say hypothetically 2019, 2020. 000. That means, folks, time is up. The fifth and final age is here. So, I could have done a lot more with this video if I wanted to. I don't know how much attention you would have paid to it if I had of. But this shows you who the throne of the reign of the earth is coming upon and into now. The altars of Baal, the huge Masonic pillar, the concept of three for Isis, Horth, and Seth, the king's crown, and the reign of the judges is coming in, and it's coming in a manner where there is no time left. No time. Thank you for watching my video.